the moment they're put into a regular car like this, they get lost because they're like, hey, this isn't activate, how to do this, how to do that, because they started with a Tesla. So there's some features that they just don't know how to do because the Tesla does it for them.
So maybe perhaps both.
Yes.
Learn on the gasoline, drive one, drive two.
I think it would be important to learn how to drive both because, you know, the world's always changing, and I do think that eventually majority of people will stick with electric vehicles over, you know, these gasoline vehicles. And as you know, the electric vehicles, they have more features.
Go straight.
So I think that it is very important to learn both.
Go past the light,
I think
get into the middle lane, turn around, make a left turn down one of these streets, and we're going to go see an electric vehicle. I'm really thinking about innovative. Just pick a street, turn on blinker, you know, street. So she's looking for a street. Yes, turn on left turn signal down. And at this light, make a left. You should be okay. You have a green, go in slow. Squeeze brake. Turn in this driveway on the right. Squeeze brake. Reverse out. Okay, so you're doing a 3-point turnaround. You're right. I definitely want to innovate with an electric vehicle. I just got to find the right price. You can get them under 30,000. Go up more, pause, stop, put us in reverse. With the tax credit, it would be 4,000 off. So that is like cash back. Take a look, peek. Okay, make a decision. You back straight back, turn the wheel to the left. Left, turn. Yes, girl, come on back. Good, stop us here, put us in drive. That was beautiful. Come on, Storm. Yes, that was good. Come on, you know I always give you compliments. Yes. You'll make a right turn because I want to see you shine. I'm definitely thinking about the EV. What I need to do is check your traffic. What I need to do is drive one for a week. Drive it, work home. See, yeah, get used to it. Check, make sure first lane, and then maybe have the neighbor drive it, new driver, give me their opinion. See how long, there's a dealership coming up on the right. We're gonna pull in there. I think it's past the light. I think it's a gray Tesla. Okay, and I think that's a wrap. Keep going, you're good. Nice, you're doing great. Good. So I want to innovate that in. The answer is turn on the right turn signal. Squeeze brakes. Yes, I think I see it. Angle park. You're learning parking. Go up more, and go more.